Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to embed your Canva designs into your WordPress website. Super easy and updated for 2025. If you want to make your site look stunning without hiring a designer, this method is perfect for you. Stick around because I'll walk you through the basics you need to know. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a Canva or WordPress expert. I'm just sharing what I learned based on the official guide from embedpress.com. Rather, I'll give you a simple overview so you can get started. First, make sure you have a Canva account. If you don't, go to canva.com and sign up. It's free. You can register using your email, Google, or Facebook account. Next, head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, click Add New, and search for Canva. Find the plugin, hit Install Now, and then activate it. This plugin helps connect your Canva designs directly to your WordPress site. Now go back to Canva, pick the design you want to embed, and click the Share button. Look for the HTML embed option, copy that code. This is a secret sauce that lets your design show up on your website. Back in WordPress, either create a new post or edit an existing one. Click the plus icon, search for a custom HTML block, and paste the code you copied from Canva. Preview it, and boom, your Canva design is live on your WordPress page. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a Canva design into WordPress. It's a simple, powerful way to make your website stand out without complicated coding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.